മെഡിക്കൽ മിഷൻ കാർഡിയോളജി വിഭാഗത്തിൻ്റെ ചെയർമാനും ഡയറക്ടറുമായ ഡോക്ടർ അജിത് മുല്ലശ്ശേരി കുമാർ, അഖില കേരള ബാലൻസ് സഖ്യ അംഗങ്ങളെ, സഹപ്രവർത്തകരെ, ചടങ്ങ് അത്രയും ധന്യമായ ഒരു ചടങ്ങാണിത്. The land helped us to heal hundreds of ailing hearts during the past 4 heart attacks in his lifetime. The first attack was when he was of 42 years and a highly regarded speaker of the Goa legislature. Destiny chose him for a higher role as the governor of Himachal Pradesh, then governor of Bihar, and now as our governor.
Here together to celebrate a remarkable journey of 25 years, a journey defined by compassion, service, and the collective effort to make healthcare accessible to those in need. Launched in 1999 in collaboration with the Madras Medical Mission, it has become a lifeline for countless individuals and families across Kerala.
Difficult to do because of the cost. Most parents are young and they don't have the resource to fund this surgery even today. So you have two issues. One is access and two is money.
And I am not a politician now. I was earlier. I am a governor, everybody's person. So he asked me a question, sir, how to become a good politician? I said, I was a little bit confused how to answer this and what to say. Just I recovered myself. I have that ability, recovering immediately. So I told him, my friend, I will ask you one more question. How to become a good IPS officer? My dear friends, this is the way how we have to walk. I felt very much honored when I was just felicitating the doctors here who have done great things in this particular field of cardiology. And Hridaya Purvam, they have done this. It was my fortune to have this such a good felicitation, and I attend. And I always thank all those people. What I have taken from this program today is, I must think myself how best I can do service to the people of Kerala. This is the thought that has given to me by Hridaya Purvam. And that is I am taking away from you with all your blessings. My friends here, this is as I said, my first public program before you. I want your blessings to serve the people of Kerala. There is no religion, there is no caste, there is no barrier of language, nothing of that sort, nothing, no political barriers at all. We all are one. We all are one, united we stand. So all of us are united and we march ahead. Kerala has done tremendous development in the field, every field, almost every field. Let us utilize that in the interest of our nation. In the interest of our nation. Dr. Thomas she was mentioning about Vikasit Bharat. And what is that Vikasit Bharat? Vikasit Bharat is not an economic concept. It is not only economic concept. We will become $1 trillion economy, we will become the third economy in the world. That doesn't mean that we will be Vikasit Bharat. Vikasit Bharat is an all-round progress of our society, our country, our state. That is Vikasit Bharat. 2047 will be seen, watched by every country in the world. How India develops, how India has taken new strides, how India has come out with all new notions and guiding force for the whole world. That is Vikasit Bharat. That Vikasit Bharat is our target. That Vikasit Bharat is our goal. And that has to be achieved. And Hridaya Purvam is doing its might, its every possibility is towards the Vikasit Bharat. I think we all should strive for this. And I once again thank you all people for having heard me. I know it was an atrocity over you, but still you managed to, because the one who has been called has to be honored, has to be listened. So that you have done. I thank you all of you again. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नन्ही.